Alright, so my friend Dan has been very nice enough to let me fly the drone on his property while I'm learning how to do it, so I don't upset anybody else, etc. So he's just told me where I can ride. I'll go and have a little scout around. Well, that was awesome. Thank you so much to Dan for letting me use his property to just learn how to fly this drone. I got it to follow me basically, or whatever it's called. God, active track, I think it is. I couldn't get it to sit in one place and follow me by turning and stuff, so I'll go watch some more videos about that, see what piece of the process I was missing. So yeah, that's my little bit of practice on the drone. So like I said, it's just me learning how to use the thing. I'm not really here to help anybody learn how to do it. I'm trying to learn how to do it. Watching you guys either laugh or rejoice with me as I do it. So thanks for watching. Be happy, be safe. Hopefully I'll catch you on the next one.